All right, it's the moment of truth for the Vytronix vacuum cleaner. I'm going to test it against three of the most difficult things to vacuum. Large pieces, oats that tend to crumble when you vacuum them, especially on carpet, and salt. Now, these three things are very easy to vacuum or wipe with something else on a tile, wood, or lino floor. So I'm not going to test that. That's easy. The problem is usually with carpets. So let's see how this vacuum cleaner does against these three absolutely insane things to clean. All right, let's go. All right, I'm going to start with the oats because I think it's going to do well with the oats. That's the easiest of the three, in my humble opinion. I'm going to go with the standard speed. All right, so the low speed. Wow. Wow, amazing. It did that the first time round, and that's with the low speed. No need to increase the volume, no need to increase the pressure. Now I'm going to do the second, which is the large pieces. Let's go. Also with the low. Okay, as you can see, it's got most of it. Missed one. Of course, I'm just going to cycle over that. Oh, missed it again. Okay, it's done pretty well. Okay, that was probably me not doing it properly. As you can see, both the oats and the paper happily in that container there. Now, moment of truth, the most difficult one. I'm going to move the camera closer so I don't cheat. I'm going to start with the low intensity. I suspect I'm going to have to go into high intensity for this one. Here we go. Wow! That's actually done really well. That has done surprisingly well. It got it, the whole thing, with a low intensity. Wow, I'm absolutely impressed with this little beauty. Fantastic, well done. Let's have a look at the bottom. No debris there, nothing. Oh, there's one little piece of paper hanging about there. Probably a little bit too large for the hole there, but not to worry. Papers you can pick with your finger. But salt, everything else, and oats absolutely sucked up into the wormhole. 10 out of 10 for this little beauty. Amazing, affordable machine, but does the job expertly.